Good afternoon. This is a quick update for my Jeep on driveway maintenance. It's November 1st, Monday, 2021. And I got that other block done. As you can see, it didn't take me too long, but again, I'm almost out of paint. This driveway takes twice the paint as this Ford does. And I do have another gallon coming. I really still need to put some paint over here on that block especially. That one there is in pretty good shape. This one's in pretty good shape, but I have some touch up to do. That roller just don't, the low spots, it messes some of them. Anyway, I almost had a vehicle pull up in my driveway to turn around, so I'll put a couple barriers out here. Maybe to keep them from coming up in the garage anyway. But anyway, and I don't know if I'm going to do that or not. I can, but I think I'm going to let it go. Now, of course, I can't do the sidewalk on the real estate, but got public easement and the city owns the sidewalk. But anyway, it looks fairly good. I'm leaving those vehicles for probably most of the week over there because I want this to dry real good. And that's an update for now. My Jeep out. Here's Sugar getting it on. Gotta get back there. And good morning. This is a My Jeep update. And I won't be working on driveway today. I've still got some touch up to do out there, but for the most part it's done. And I am going to be doing a little trailer maintenance. I got this, I don't know how well it's going to work. I'm going to give it a shot. And my trailer has got a lot of rust on it. Yeah, just about every metal part on it's got rust on it. Anyway, I'm going to spray it down and see what happens. I think if I understood it right, after you spray it with this, it's supposed to convert it back to metal, and you should be turn like a flat black, and you should be able to paint right over it. Well, we'll see what happens. Anyway, that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to go ahead and spray all the metal on my trailer, my Jeep out.
Oh my God! That is insane.
Hey, watch that. Don't be pointing.
I know.